Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's got the tech world buzzing, Honor's brand new AIMAGE suite. James Lee, Honor's CEO, just dropped a bombshell at Mobile World Congress, announcing their alpha plan to transform Honor into an AI-driven ecosystem. But the real question is, are we ready for an AI that can essentially see for us? This isn't just about filters and touch-ups. It's about fundamentally changing how we capture and experience the world. And some people are seriously worried. Are we handing over too much control to the machines? Now, Honor isn't new to the photography game. Back in the day, the Honor 6 Plus was rocking a dual-lens camera when everyone else was barely figuring out single lenses. Remember that? It was revolutionary. People were blown away by the ability to change focus after taking a picture. CNET's Andrew Laxon said back in 2014 that it helped lend some creative background blur for close-up shots of flowers or food. Everyone was focusing on hardware, but now, with AIMAGE, Honor is shifting gears and betting big on software. They're not just trying to make your photos look better, they're trying to redefine the entire photographic process. Why is Honor so invested in photography? According to Luo Wei, it's about capturing memories, the evidence of our existence. Profound, right? But is this noble pursuit or a clever marketing ploy? Okay, let's get real. We've hit a wall with hardware. Slapping more megapixels onto a sensor isn't going to cut it anymore. The real battleground is software, and that's where AIMAGE comes in. Honor's aiming to bridge the gap between algorithm development and product cycles. Think of it like this. AI is the key to unlocking the full potential of your phone's camera. Google started this trend with the Pixel 8, and now everyone's jumping on the bandwagon. But Honor claims their AI is different. They say it's about making photography accessible to everyone, even those who think they're terrible photographers. But can AI truly make anyone a great photographer? Or will it just create a generation of people who don't understand the fundamentals of composition and lighting? Image processing on smartphones is nothing new. But the introduction of machine learning and neural interfacing has been harnessed by the likes of NVIDIA, ARM, and Apple as software specifically designed for the platforms of the respective makers. Morikawa, C. Kobayashi, M. Sato, M. et al. Image and video processing on mobile devices. According to Honor, their local model is 3B, and it's not just a watered-down version of their cloud model. It's been specifically trained for portrait processing and optimized for the SoC platform. The cloud-based component handles more complex tasks, like generative models and raw image processing. This raises a crucial question. How much of your data are you willing to hand over to the cloud for better photos? And what are the security implications of that? Now, here's where things get interesting. Honor is aiming to attract professional photographers with AIMAGE. They want to be the second camera pros carry, offering convenience and control. AIMAGE can suggest shooting positions, simulate effects, and handle tedious post-processing. But will professional photographers embrace AI, or will they see it as a threat to their artistic vision? Will AI-assisted photography devalue the skills and expertise of seasoned professionals? This is a real concern for many in the industry. Let's not forget about the average user, your grandma, who just wants a really nice camera that takes good pictures without any fuss. Research shows that older adults prioritize simplicity and ease of use in smartphone cameras. So, how much of AIMAGE can be hidden away so that anyone can use an Honor phone and see a difference in their pictures? Honor claims that AIMAGE will act as a professional photography brain, optimizing composition, lighting, and colors. But is this really what consumers want? Or do they just want authentic, unedited photos that capture real moments? We can't talk about AI without addressing the elephant in the room. Generative AI and its impact on the creative industries. Photography and illustration are on the front lines. Will it enhance creative efficiency and make capabilities more accessible, or will it devalue the art form and erode the skills of human photographers? Luo Wei acknowledges the debate, stating that time will give us the answers. Last year, generative AI was the next big thing. This year, consumers are looking for tangible benefits. Honor is betting that AIMAGE will deliver. But will it live up to the hype? And more importantly, will it change photography for better or for worse? AIMAGE is set to roll out in March, starting with the Magic 7 Pro. So what's the verdict? Is AIMAGE a revolutionary tool that will empower photographers of all skill levels? Or is it a step towards a future where AI dictates our creative choices? The truth probably lies somewhere in between. But one thing is certain, AIMAGE is a bold move from Honor, and it's going to spark a lot of debate in the coming months. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about AIMAGE? Are you excited about the possibilities of AI-powered photography, or are you worried about the potential consequences? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and analysis. Thanks for watching.